This is other type of inverter. I am using 1307 NPN standard NPN 500 volt DC 500 volt 5 amperes transistors. You can see both transistors are connecting in multi-vibrator mode, which means emitter. Both emitters are negative. Both lectors are transformer, left and right transformer. I mean 12 volt to 220 volt transformer. This inverter outputs 120 volt. So this transistor base to this collector with 1.5 kilo ohm 0.5 watt. This base, this collector 1.5 kilo ohm same resistance 0.5 watt. What happens when voltage flow both this coil and this resistance limit the turn to this transistor voltage. This resistor limit to this voltage to this transistor base. Both are transistor base active in each time. There is a phase shifting. In sine wave inverter in square wave generating square wave who outputs trigger this transformer coil. They will generate electromagnetic field flap in magnetic metal core of transformer. Many types of transformer to ferrite core transformer. This is a ferrite core transformer. There are iron powder magnetic core. There are metal core transformer. I use metal core transformer. So metal core transformer is iron magnetic field, iron magnetic induction. So there is a magnetic induction. There generate a electromagnetic field. This field, those standard coil, there is a boost 120 volt to 240 volt output. This might get in 120 volt output. There are 30 diagrams. I am using 0.5 milliampere to 2 ampere transformer. If you use I transformer, you can use additional ampere transistor. Join there. Both transistor base are connecting like there instead of transformer. Both emitters is same connecting common negative as supply negative, and both collector to this transformer. Transformer base is always positive of 12 volt supply. I use 12 volt 2 ampere power supply. You can see in my many videos. This is main thing I use for my lots of electronics videos. Yes. Little bit too. This is the hardware setup. There are 220 volt 12 watt LED lamp. So you can use energy saver LED lamp. Both are working, but not working a filament lamp. So they should consume lots of power. It can work maximum 4 bulb of LEDs or 2 bulb in a 2 CFL bulbs, 189 volts somewhere. So this voltage is not pure sine wave, so it is little bit fluctuating. Bulb are working very fine. This circuit is what, but remember, never touch this pin. This pin is very high voltage output. If you can touch this point, you can receive very nasty shock. But there are 30 diagrams also. There is supply negative connected ammeter connected to second transistor ammeter. Both transistors is MUJE1607. Both this transistor is collector like there. Collector to the right channel of transformer and right channel with 1.5 kilo ohm resistor to left channel transistor base. Left channel, let me see. There are left channel transistor. Left channel transistor collector is connecting right there, and this wire connected right there. So both are alternatively. This circuit also works with 9 volt 5 milliamp battery, but they are still work this neon LED. This neon LED is fine in switches or other applications. AC application. This LED required to run 80 to 90, 80 to 100 volts minimum. I mean minimum 80 to maximum 100 volts. So this LED, this 9 volt battery is enough power to run this inverter in this small amount of LED power, not the other application. You can see neon is also working. There is a AC. So you can see both filaments are neon is working. Voltage is still dropping, so this output less current of my transformer. So nothing all off. Other I have not connected heat sink as thermal compound on thermal insulator. So I demoed if you try this experiment in long life that heat sink mattress, heat sink thermal paste or heat sink insulator acts like an aerogel type thing. What is aerogel? It is a chemical thing I tell next video. But there's an inductance of issue. Somewhere there is inductance issue. You can see when transformers need voltage, transformers collapse of voltage when shunting back. That is also known as a flyback effect or magnetic induction or self-induction. Both induction you need suitable diode center tapping at right here. Both diode negative point is connecting to common this positive and both positive point to left and right. So this point is output negative. So diode are reverse positive between positive side to negative power supply, negative diode side to positive power supply. So this why transformer voltage shunting voltage is AC form, flyback effect. This AC voltage drop down by diode but not a power supply voltage drop down. There are diodes. You cannot see. I think there are white band right there. So this band indicates. Let me open a notepad first. Here, this diode. There are many types of diode. This is a Schottky diode, other type of diode of Zener. This is a Schottky diode. This is acts like a one-way wall. If you can voltage pass a positive voltage to this side, and negative voltage pass to this side, meaning this is one-way wall. Which means if you can change a water pump, if your water pump filled with tank, after you can remove a water pump, water go back down to water pump. So it is you require to connect an external wall. It is block one-way water. So water flow water pump to tank, but tank not go to tank to water pump. So that's reason you can. This example is what of diode, which means diode is block of voltage for one way. It is only one way flow voltage. For example, you can charge battery. Sometimes lights don't consume. If you charge a battery is 99% charged, lights don't. You can sleep in. So it is a R and R. Battery is discharged, fully discharged. So charger reversely consume battery charging. So it is not a voltage series with battery series with diode block a battery flow voltage backwards. So meaning battery negative or charger negative both are commonly connected. Charger positive connect with diode through the battery positive. Charger voltage pass to this way, but battery voltage when charger shut off, battery voltage does not pass to back. So it is as like a one-way wall. Zener diode is same thing, but Zener diode are reverse voltage is little bit reverse voltage, meaning this is no reverse voltage flow. Zener diode is less voltage flow reverse. It is used as power supplies for regulation voltage. Look like this. There, if you go to shop buy, you can see lots of type 6 volt, 3 volt, depending in your circuit. If you can a Zener diode with always connected a reverse polarity in circuit, meaning power supply 12 volt to Zener diode 6 volt Zener diode negative, 6 volt Zener diode negative, positive to charger negative. So there are reverse voltage. So Zener diode is tiny, so it is the left turn charger is high turn, so require additional series 1 kilo ohm resistor in positive and negative line. Positive line not matter which way you connect it. So if you limit at current and Zener diode limit at voltage, which means 6 volt drop down to ground and 6 volt enter left, 12 volt 6 volt drop down to ground and 6 volt go forward. So if you receive a 6 volt, so there are formula find our turn find. Turn is amperes symbol I. Power divided volt equal turn mean ampere. Resistance voltage is equal to turn divided turn multiply resistance equal volt. How to find a resistance? Volt divided by ampere turn equal resistance. There is a full bridge rectifier formula. I mean utilized. There is a 4 diode. Both diodes are connected. 2 diode output this cathode side one side and both 2 diode and node point side common connected. One side is of which 2 rectifier plus meaning this diode that anode and this diode cathode are AC input. There are other AC input. So the for AC symbol live and neutral. Neutral means negative and positive configuration voltage. So this is AC voltage. There are a live or neutral. Live AC, live for example. Live though this way. So this way is pure DC. This is positive. When neutral is this way, right? There is neutral can flow this way. There is a pure negative. I mean, there are negative. They are pure negative. When top wire AC are phase shifting, meaning this wire is live go this way, neutral is this wire, neutral go this way. When this wire is neutral, top wire is live. So top live go this way, down neutral go this way. When down live this go this way, top neutral go this way. There are phase shifting. If you are phase shifting voltage, so that's why this are fluctuating, which means there this diode, this wire is positive, voltage go this way. This or this wire is negative, positive, so voltage go this way, and this voltage wire is negative, voltage go this way. So they are phase shifting to phase shifting. AC are phase shifting. So there are change of AC DC configuration. There is a pure DC output positive like there, negative like there. That would look like this. Rectifier look like this. There are marked negative, positive, or these are two AC pins. But what is a self-induction? Self-induction. Let me open a notepad. There are self-induction. First, know what is an inductor. Inductor is this. This is a ferrite core inductor with copper wire. When you give a copper wire voltage, positive like there and negative like there, or negative like there or positive like there, this acts like an electromagnet. This electromagnet field collapse with door. When that of supply, this magnetic field reposes to voltage. So this voltage as a 10 times double. So people know this as a capacitor. This is not a capacitor. Capacitor can store a charge for a long time. This can, if you connect the coil, just set that 10 seconds can charge a inductor, and 10 seconds is to quickly discharge. So it is not charged for a long time. There are just use of buck boost converters to doubling of voltage. This inductor is very high power. My power supply is only 2 amperes. So I use this transformer as an inductance for demo. Removing all wires. I need only this type transformer or power supply. Yeah, removing. Removing anything. Only need this transformer. I am using only 2 wires. So this transformer is less than. It never matter which wire you can use, primary or secondary both. This transformer is made of step down transformer. I use this transformer as step up. So this transformer what step or step down, both. Transformer or any type of transformer use step up or step down. We can see this neon LED I already told this is 80 volts minimum to run it. There are 12 volts, so it is not running. To low the power, meaning this is less power to run this LED. But when connecting series with inductor with LED, series with LED, right here. Now the power supply again. Anything is nothing happening. But there is a wire to join these neon pins just for setting. So inductor and slab for voltage, you can see neon are working purplely. So it is very high voltage. Neon work only 100 volt. This is above 100 volt. So that's why neon are pins that are low. Otherwise, neon with resistance is not limited. There are no resistance. I lost my resistance. So that's why. Otherwise, I not touch with spindle with this neon LEDs LED. I receive a shot, but I not touch. So it is a danger. So this way I didn't get this way is working of self-induction. When voltage short of this pin, voltage can fill with transformer leaves this shunting bad side like a side that diode type pin there are internal regulation when it is connected capacitor with series with LED. When voltage is fully charged at capacitor maximum rate, there are shunting between LED and LED. That's why LEDs are blinking. And after discharge at capacitor in 10 seconds. So, but other thing, I cannot measure this voltage for this volt AC or DC both form. So charges supply DC voltage, this voltage generate AC form. Both are voltage different voltages, but there are measure only AC or DC voltage are different times. So that's reason I external rectifier which is rectify AC or DC voltage into pure DC volt. So there are connected priority wires. First let's turn off. I took it out this rectifier in power supplies as well as this transformer is always putting out power supplies like a charger or computer ATX. So this wire is positive. So I connect a multimeter positive to rectifier positive. Rectifier are DC, multimeter also DC mode. So there's a wire necessary to connect a flat priority. So DC voltage are priority, AC voltage are not priority. So there is a priority DC voltage there are priority. Otherwise you notice I have no soldering iron, so that's why I join this wire with short amount of tiny LED. So there is lots of R to do. So there's next idea. Little bit tight. Okay. This now this time is multimeter as DC or AC both measuring. So I take alligator lips, only one alligator. I think two alligator lips. I use both alligator lips are same color, meaning both are black. So there is AC feeding to rectifier, so there is not priority matter. Input of rectifier. So there are one wire, there are two wires. Now connected are LED pins with this rectifier. Multimeter place light wall so easily seen 10 volts. So power supply total 10 voltage is 12 volt power supply drop in entire circuit. This side I use a 12 volt winding. Short these two wires. Neon on by pinkish working. You can see voltage are 90 volt, 180 volt. it is very high voltage. If Tyndall it receive a very nasty shot. So it is AND switching. So there are no smoothing I not netted capacitor. So that's why without capacitor voltage is 10 to 10 times higher, which means 130 volts. Input 12 volts, which means 13 times higher. Neon are working like pinkish, meaning neon are receive high voltage, it high voltage. So there are neon is working very bright. May I may it and tracking system. I can generate a maximum 150 volt with my AND switching setting. Same thing if inverter switching with transistor power. This way switching I am with my AND power. Okay, now that this electrolytic capacitor, but one thing, there are electrolytic capacitor. There are wire a priority. So these are DC capacitor. Any DC appliances is priority is recommending or necessary. So priority are always that are good position, otherwise anything go wrong. There's a positive for doing right there, positive multimeter positive or rectify positive, rectify negative and multimeter negative or capacitor negative both are common, switch already on. So there are wire. Note never anything touching. So recheck capacitor quality is fine. And this is the electrolytic capacitor. If you kindle it, there's receive nasty shock after using this charge. This capacitor, so any people cannot kindle. Rated 400 volt 33 microfarad. So I then once. So neon this time is neon are not working. Neon are not working. So this time is a heavy load with capacitor of high voltage. You can see poly lies up 82 volts, 100 volts, 93 volts, 96 volts with my AND. I think it is the maximum I can do with my AND. So voltage are dropping, so I lose the wire for some time. So voltage are quickly drop, so I can fast switching with my AND. You can see I will switch in my AND. Voltage is very nice, 193 volts, 99 volts, 100 volts. So the capacitor are charged maximum with 100 volts with AND switching. But keep in mind these are capacitor electrolytic, so never touch it. Probe if you touch, you can receive nasty amount of shot. So I can remove this capacitor carefully. Capacitor are so hot, take aside. Now try this capacitor. This capacitor are 160 volt, 120 microfarad. That is on multimeter. What is on multimeter? So voltage can go 148 volts, 145 volts. So I mean 49 volts. So I not see in multimeter, I can see in my switching circuit. So I found it how much voltage is reading on multimeter. 54 volt. Which is little bit slow. 150, I mean 55. Not though 55 this time. We are 57, 58. Neon are not working again. So meaning this was the high amount of power. 4000 voltage is 161. Max I can do 165 with my AND. 60 volts, 62 volts. Maximum I do with my AND with 75 volts max. Voltage more do for work. 66. So AND switch is not very well. So 1 minute while I lose and it charging is drop down. So the capacitor up. If you have high capacity capacitor like the 1 kilofarad or MADF 1 mF GF or microfarad kilo 1000 microfarad kilo 1 kilofarad and 1 farad are best thing to do with this. But what is a farad? Maximum I can do with my hand with 71 volts. Microfarad is scientist name when invent of capacitor, first capacitor. A capacitor are micro, yuto, pito, nano or mada, kilo, dada is a computer languages, which means computer. If you use a computer, you know internet is data bit, data byte or meta byte or kilobyte or data byte are randomly in memory of system. So it is a data meta, milli, pito, nano are computer languages. They are size mini microfarad, which mean a micro size. Microfarad are 1000 microfarad are 1 farad. There are 33 microfarad less than 100 microfarad. So it is not a great thing to do with this way. High capacitor are very good result, long time charging. How to discharge capacitance without kindling? This is neon. This time I use a neon for the circuits. You can see what is a neon. Be carefully. You can see neon capacitor quickly discharge. So I kindle it. So I not recommending I not receive a shot. Meaning the capacitor are discharged. This capacitor 7 millimeter. In capacitor I can discharge. There are 63 voltage in left. So I think 63 volt. Yes, it is discharged. You can see neon are working. Now kindling. It is discharged. By the way, one thing for this. If you have no 1307 transistor, you can use additional. You can use 2N3055 or TIP 3055 transistors on 1.5 kilo ohm resistor instead 100 ohm resistors 5 watt. So if you make a TP 1307 transistor inverter circuit, you require 1.5 kilo ohm resistor. This way 2N3055 or TIP 3055 circuit you use only 100 ohm, but much watt is possible. So I watt meaning less heat dissipation or if I dissipation resistor are quickly burn. So that's why better I trans resistor use as a high voltage resistor use as best choice. On this video is an I hope new project coming very soon. So this video is an will come for next video in very soon until lockdown is open for flyback transformers. This video is an phase shifting circuit. If you net both LEDs with both LEDs positive one side there instead of transformer, both LEDs negative side with 1 kilo ohm resistor net like there or there. LEDs are blinking is very fast like a 1 to 100 kilohertz. Human cannot see above 1 kilohertz frequency. So it is a quickly blinking. I will try first time this circuit made. I also connected with 2 LEDs, but LEDs are quickly blinking. I not see in my original eyes. It is very fast blinking. So it is if you connect LEDs and if you have a special camera, you can slowly video see if LEDs are blinking just 1 on 2 1 2 as like a digital signal. Pause.